We have to become aware of it. And I don't think most people even realize the voice is talking as much as it's going all day long. Self-talk, we can't underestimate that. It's the most important conversation we have all day long. I say, who's the most important person you talk to? Actually, it's yourself. And we are talking to ourselves all of the time. It's the voice that is going most of the time. And what is that voice saying? Is it a fear-based voice? Or is it a voice based on possibility and potentiality? And it's amazing once you start to watch it. You realize the direct connection, that self-talk, the outcomes you're getting in life. So you really have to start watching. And just watching that shift can make a huge difference in outcomes. And like an objective outsider, be like an anthropologist looking on the outside to that voice. Is that serving me or not? Because the beauty of it is you're both sides of that conversation. You're the one speaking and the one that listens. So you can actually choose, wait a minute, I don't like that voice. We're going to switch it. If it's someone else's voice, it can be parents, it can be spouses, it can be a boss. Then you have to pause and you say, do I know that to be the truth? What that person said to me? Or was it the truth at that time, but it's no longer the truth? Once again, is that serving me? That little record playing over and over and over again, is that really serving me? Today, in my context, where I am right now, it's amazing how these old habits stick around for decades.